Hola everybody, Ronnie Lee with thebeanscene.com here, and today I'm going to walk to breakfast, but I'm in Tamarindo, so join me. I'm going to walk and go get a good delicious breakfast here in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. So I'm walking here toward the beach. All the surfers are out. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Surfing time. Look at this. Oh, they got some surfers doing their thing. Love it. Let's walk on down. Let's see what's happening. If you're here in Tamarindo and you want to learn how to surf, there's a lot of surfing lessons. I've been on a couple. They're a lot of fun. You get a massage. Look at there. One of the most touristy beaches here in Costa Rica is Tamarindo. A lot of tourists, a lot of people having a good time. I love it though. Let's keep walking. Just walk down a little bit. I smell the herb. I'm like, it's 8:30 in the morning, yo. You already smoking? Smell good though. Sorry. So let's keep going now that I got a contact high. All right, so I've seen the beach. Let's walk up here. Let's go on up here. I think I'm gonna find a breakfast spot. Let's see what I can find. I should go here. It's right on the beach. Look at that. That place looks great. But I'm just gonna walk around a little bit, show you guys some of the business of Tamarindo. Let's keep going. On the main strip here. Look who's coming. Look at there. I'm about to go see that. Let's keep going here. There's little access to the beach. Oh. Look at there. It's the only fast food place in Tamarindo. It's a Subway. And I'm happy about that. So many good places to eat here in Tamarindo. I mean, Subway's okay, but there's so many great places. But if you need your fix, you got one option. Over here is the Daria, one of the nicer resorts on the beach here in Tamarindo. Right there. Got a lot of shopping on the main strip. Look at that. Which is crazy because they kind of all sell the same thing. And they have these weird, like, it's all these tchotchke things. So pick a store, they're gonna have the same stuff in every store. That's not true. It's mostly true, but there are some exceptions. If you're coming into Tamarindo for the first time, you're gonna come up to this intersection here. And it's the first decision you're gonna have to make. You're gonna turn left or you're gonna go straight. Today we're gonna go straight. There's some fun things that way. But I'm not walking that way today, I'm walking this way. So let's see what's down this alleyway right here. Look, over here, a rare sighting of some graffiti in the wild. Beautiful. If you're ever in Tamarindo and you want some good waffles, this place is good. It's right down there. But I've already made a video of that, so let's keep going. So this is a fun little spot. If you're here in the evening time, one of my favorite places right there. But nothing's open, I'm a little early. This place is nice. Never been here. I've seen it many times. Here's the famous turnaround spot with the big Tamarindo sign. Some more shopping. Everybody turns around. I do know a perfect breakfast spot right on the beach. If you're ever in Tamarindo, I'm gonna go here. I like this spot. It's right on the water. And it doesn't look too busy. So let's do it. Above this restaurant is an agave bar up there. It's just cool to go to. But let's stay focused. Let's go to this place and get some breakfast. What should I get? Right there. Dos huevos. Yeah. And here we go. My lovely breakfast with an incredible view. Pura vida, baby. Pura vida.